Protein powders are a staple for athletes, weight management enthusiasts, and anyone seeking convenient, high-quality protein supplementation. The right powder can support lean muscle maintenance, recovery, and daily protein targets without unnecessary sugars or fat. Product number 1. Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard 100% Whey Protein Powder. Gold Standard Whey is a long-standing staple in the whey category, offering 24 grams of whey protein per scoop with 5.5 grams BCAAs and 11 grams EAAs. It emphasizes a high-quality whey protein isolate as the primary ingredient, with low sugar, 1 gram, and low carbs, 3 grams per serving, positioning it well for lean muscle or cutting phases. The product is instantized for easy mixing in water or milk and has a broad flavor lineup, with cookies and cream as a popular dessert-like option. Nutritionally, it's gluten-free and designed for quick post-workout delivery. Performance-wise, the high-quality whey base supports rapid amino acid delivery, which is beneficial for post-workout recovery and muscle protein synthesis when used consistently with resistance training. The low sugar and fat content makes it suitable for those monitoring carbohydrate intake or aiming to minimize caloric load while maintaining protein intake. Mixability is consistently praised for smooth dissolution in water or milk, reducing clumping. Product number 2. Dymatize ISO 100 Whey Protein Powder with 25 grams of hydrolyzed 100% whey isolate. Dymatize ISO 100 is positioned as a premium whey isolate protein, delivering 25 grams of protein per serving with 5 grams BCAAs, 1 gram fat, and 1 gram sugar under 120 calories. It emphasizes hydrolyzed, fast-absorbing peptides and lactose reduction, aiming for quick digestion and minimal digestive load. The vanilla flavor is a classic choice that blends well in beverages and foods. The package indicates 76 servings per container in a 5-pound tub, offering strong value for the amount of protein delivered. In practice, ISO 100's hydrolyzed isolate tends to mix easily with water or milk and is often perceived as easy on the stomach, even for those with lactose sensitivity, though it's not labeled lactose-free. The low fat and sugar profile plus high protein per scoop makes it ideal for lean recomposition goals or meal replacements during busy days. Some users may find vanilla flavor a bit sweet or artificial in certain lots, and the price per scoop is generally higher than concentrate-based powders. Product number 3. NutriCost Whey Protein Powder. NutriCost offers a straightforward, value-forward whey protein concentrate option in a 5-pound tub with vanilla flavor. The product highlights undenatured whey protein concentrate, non-GMO and gluten-free, manufactured in an NSF-certified, GMP-compliant, FDA-registered facility. The protein concentration typically sits around 70 to 80% protein by weight, depending on lot specifics, with a serving count of 63 from a 5.2-pound container. The focus is on clean labeling and affordability for daily protein supplementation. Performance-wise, NutriCost provides solid protein per serving at a competitive price point, suitable for those prioritizing total daily protein over ultra-trace macro perfection. As a concentrate, it may have slightly slower digestion and higher lactose content than isolates, which can impact digestion for sensitive individuals. Mixability is generally good with a blender or shaker, though some users report minor clumping in cold liquids. It's a versatile base protein for shakes, cooking, or baking, and pairs well with other ingredients for meal replacement strategies. Product number 4. Isopure Zero Carb 100% Pure Whey Isolate Protein Powder. Isopure Zero Carb uses 100% whey isolate with a zero carb profile, lactose-free and gluten-free, designed for those tracking carb intake precisely. The 3 pounds container yields 47 servings, with an unflavored option that can be customized into recipes or layered into beverages without altering taste profiles. Each serving provides 25 grams of protein with 0 sugar and minimal fat, making it a keto-friendly choice for daily protein supplementation. In use, the unflavored format shines for those who dislike artificial flavors or prefer adding protein to coffee, smoothies, or oatmeal without altering taste. The lactose-free isolate supports easier digestion for many lactose-intolerant individuals, though it remains dairy-derived. Mixing is straightforward in water or milk, and the zero-carb claim helps users stay within strict macro targets. Some users may desire flavor variety or may find the unflavored profile too neutral for solo shakes, requiring flavoring additions.
Product number 5. Dymatize ISO 100 Whey Protein Powder Isolate. This is another ISO 100 variant focused on a vanilla flavor with 25 grams protein per serving, 5.5 grams BCAAs, 1 gram of fat, 1 gram of sugar, under 120 calories, and gluten-free. It's described as an ultra-pure isolate with fast absorption, designed to minimize lactose, carbs, fat, and sugar while maximizing protein delivery per scoop. The 3-pound package offers a compact option for those who want a premium isolate with a familiar vanilla taste. In practice, ISO 100's isolate approach yields quick digestion and a high protein punch per serving, ideal for post-workout recovery or meal replacement during busy schedules. The low sugar and fat support lean body composition goals, while the gluten-free claim broadens accessibility. Flavor can be reliably pleasant, though some batches may vary slightly in sweetness. As with other isolates, price per serving is typically higher than concentrate-based powders.